Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will teach you how you can export your part file to a 3D printer if you want to use the same design of your part to print it using a real 3D printer. Say that we have this part. By the way, dimensions are in millimeter, so all dimensions I entered when designing the part are in millimeter. Don't forget that. The units should be clear. Next step, guys, actually we have two options. The first option, we can go to File, Export, and then select CAD format. From CAD format, you should give it a name, and then select the STL file, and before select Save, go to Options. From Options here, as you see, binary, centimeter, we can select millimeter, as I told you. Resolution is high. Here we have some options, you can try them. Then press OK and save your file as STL file, then take it to your printer. The second option I will cancel. Second option, we can go to environment. From environment, we can select 3D print. It says that save the file first. Okay, I will save the file. Next step, as you see here, is my part on the default machine workspace. The first step, we have to select the 3D printer. If you have any one of these or other printers, you can select as example. We have Fortress 400 MC, you have Mojo, anything. Say that I have this printer, I will select the Mojo as you see here. So the printer bed or printing size, it is very small in Mojo. Let me select another printer, Fortune 900 MC. Okay, say that I have this printer. I'll see this is the printer bed, and this is the printing size, the maximum or size of the printing. Now, as you see, we have to start the printing from this surface. So this surface should be on the bed surface. So we have to go to Direct, and then select all of the solid. As you see here, it shows faces. No, I will select solid. What I want to do, I want to make rotation, but I have to make the rotation in the correct multi-view. So let me go to the right first, like this, as you see. Again, Direct, and then select everything, solid, and select rotate from here. As you see, you can rotate it like this. Apply, press apply. Next step, we have to move it. Same story. I will select like this and say move. Click on this arrowhead and move it like this, and then OK. Now we want to move it. Let me use Direct. I will select again the same, and then also be sure that it's solid here. One of the options, we can use snap to. I want snap to here. Select move and then snap to this one. As you see, when you snap, it will give you the distance between the center of the centroid of the part and the 3D printer bed. It is minus 50 millimeter. I know that. Let me show you. I know that this height, it is 20. I know this height, it was 50. That means this should be 20, and half of the 50 will be 25. So 20 and 25, it will be 45. So that we want to shift the centroid to down by 5. So let me select minus 5 like this. Minus 5 like this. No, not minus 5, sorry. Let me do it again. Undo. Again, Direct. I will use I will select again Direct. What's going on here? Okay, I want to add the solid, so I will select the solid. Next step, as I told you, snap to. Select this bit. Say that bit 3D printer bed location, and now the offset, it will be -5. I will select -5 here. It should be okay like this. Then add. Now it's okay. Done. Next step. If you want to show it in the home view, I'll see. Show from the right view. It's in correct position. As example, say that you want to shift it left or right. If you have more than one item you want to add, so we can go again direct, select move the solid. Now we can the same story. We can click it like this and move it, or we can use set position option. You can select, as example, I want the position from this wall. As you see, it's now 0. We can say that 200 as example. You can go to wall number 2, this wall. You can set this distance, now it is 0, say 300 as example, and then press OK. If you want also to again change the orientation, you can set the orientation like this. Select the orientation and do again. Final step. Now everything is okay. Again, we know that the printer is Fortress 900 MC. The bed size, we know the bed size for the printer. We know the size of our product or part. We set the location. As see, it is correct from right and correct from top and in the home. The last step, we want to generate the STL. If you added your printer to the Inventor, I have say that permission or license, you can use the print command from here. Now I don't have the printer, so I will export the file as STL file. Be sure that again, as you see, it is you can use medium or high resolution units, source units. Okay, I use high resolution better. Okay, then press OK. Then save the file as STL file. Then you can take the STL file to your printer and print it directly without need to fix your part on the printer. Just print it directly. I hope that everything is okay and the idea is clear. If you have any question regarding this video, or you need more information, you can send me email or ask on the YouTube comments. Thank you so much.